In this session, let us learn about HTML layouts, elements and techniques. Websites often display content in multiple columns like a magazine or a newspaper. See the code and example result. See doc type HTML, language English, head, title, CSS templates, meta character set UTF-8, meta name, viewport, content, width, device width, initial scale 1, see style, boxing, border box, body, font family, area, Helvetica, sans, so you are using that. Style the header. Now we are styling the header. Background color 666, padding 30 pixels, text align center, font size 35 pixels, color white. Create two columns or boxes that floats next to each other. Now we are using nav command here. Float left width 30%, height 10 pixels, only for demonstration should be removed. Background hash ccc, padding 20 pixels. Style, we are giving style here. The list inside the menu. Nav ul, list style type none, padding 0. Article float left, padding 20 pixels with 70%, background color hash f1 f1 f1, height 10 pixels, only for demonstration should be removed. Clear floats after the columns. Section after content, we are giving nothing. Display table, clear both. Style the footer. Now footer we are styling. Background color hash 777, padding 10 pixels, text align center, color white. See, responsive layout makes the two columns or boxes stack on top of each other in ins flowered of next to each other on small screens. Media max width 600 pixels. Now article with 100% height auto. And flower brackets close. Style head. Body. See H2 CSS layout float. In this example, we have created a header, two columns or boxes and footer on smaller screens. The columns will stack on top of each other. This is the browser window. To see the responsive effect, you will learn more about this in our next chapter. Responsive. See here header, cities, header, section, herif hash Delhi, herif hash Amravati, herif hash Hyderabad. See articles. Amravati is capital. We are using some article here about Amravati and also where it's located. And footer end is entire website layout. And also you can call it as bootstrap. See here. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this. See here, enter. Slowly pause and practice this section. By executing this code, we get this result. Okay. HTML layout elements. HTML has several semantic elements that define the different parts of a web page. See header, nav, section, article, footer, aside. See the example. Header defines a header for a document or a section. Nav defines a set of navigation links. Section defines a section in a document. Article defines an independent self-contained content. Aside defines content aside from the content like a sidebar. Footer defines a footer for a document or a section. Details defines additional details that the user can open and close on demand. Summary defines a heading for a details element. HTML layout techniques. There are 4 different techniques to create multi-column layouts. Each technique has its pros and cons. CSS framework, CSS float property, CSS flexbox, CSS grid. See here. Now we are using the viewport, device width, initial scale 1, template. See example, boxing, border box, body, font family, style the header, background color, padding, text align, font size, color we have given, container of the file flex boxes, section. See display WebKit flex, display flex. See now we are using flex command here. Style the navigation menu, Now WebKit Flex, MS Flex, Flex1, background, #CCC, padding 20 pixels. Style the list inside the menu. Now list style type none, padding 0. Articles here using WebKit Flex 3, MS Flex 3, Flex 3, background color, #F1, padding 30%. Style the footer. Now footer background color, padding text and color white. Responsive layout makes the menu and the content inside the section sit on top of each other instead of next to each. See here at media max with 600 pixel section, WebKit Flex direction column, Flex direction column. Now using column method here. CSS layout flex box. In this example, we have created the header 2 columns or boxes and a footer on small screen. The columns will stack on top of each other. This is the browser window to see the responsive effect. Strong note: Flexbox is not supported in Internet Explorer 1.10 and earlier versions. Headers: see cities. Here we are using href #Delhi, #Amravati, #Hyderabad. Amravati, you have given some information like that. Here footer, again we are using footer, body, HTML, close. CSS grid layout. The CSS grid layout module offers a grid-based layout system with rows and columns, making it easier to design web pages without having to use floats and positioning. See, by writing and executing this code, we will get the result. See here, cities, Delhi, Amravati, Hyderabad, Amravati, description, everything like this. The web page looks like this. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 43 layout. In next video, let us learn about another topic, responsive web designing. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.